This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Hilmar Castillo. In a great location. This cute 2-bedroom 1.5 bathroom house has been meticulously maintained. New roof installed December 2020, new water heater and bathroom floor installed July 2018, house was pressure washed, exterior and interior painted, trim inside replaced and painted, and new garage door in August 2018, new heating unit installed May 2015. New crown molding and faucet in master bathroom in June 2021. Hardwood floors, no carpet in this house. For more information, review the details below or contact Hilmar Castillo at 865-584-4000.